Okay, so I am going to pick File, and I'm going to say Change Backdrop. Now this is to show that the Open utility is now fully functional. So simply by choosing Change Backdrop, it's going to open your utility. There we go. And you can see that it looks kind of like a mini version of the file manager with the sidebar and a splitter here and the path bar and a list of files. So I'm going to navigate into my OS directory and then into my desktop directory, and I have some backgrounds saved in here. So I'll just choose a background like this, hit select. We can see that that file just got added to the top of the list of recents, and if we window shade, hey, we can see that we've changed the background. We can see what it looks like. But you notice that it hasn't closed the Open utility, so I can pick another one. So maybe I'll pick this. I can double click it. So that's going to add that to the top of the list of recents again, and we can see what that looks like in the background. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to add the gallery app to the desktop. So I'll go File, Add Alias. That just changed the mode of this, and this button grayed out because this is not an appropriate thing to be an alias. But I'll navigate to the Applications directory, and I'll pick Gallery, hit Select. Okay. So now Gallery is an alias on the desktop. And lastly, what I'm going to do is just choose Change Backdrop, and I'm going to pick split panels from this list of recents. So there it is selected, and I'll hit that. And now we're back to our old background. Isn't that cool?